Yeah, they're under the water.
Okay.
Your mom's underwater.
Ah.
Yeah, because she drowned in 1982.
But don't fucking run away from me!
Ow, I'm dead.
Why am I not surprised?
And I did something that you'll be very happy about.
You did something?
That's
I found copper.
You found copper?
Fuck you, I do things all the time.
Yeah, like dye and
Get
pants.
metal. Die.
And eat pants.
There it is.
Like, there's nothing
There it
here.
is.
Is that it? Is the box that's floating away now? I don't... What do
No,
you...
it's right here.
What do you want?
It's.
Well,
You don't
just
see it?
Drop it! Thank you! I'm just gonna remove it. It did. Okay, cool.
Oh gosh. It's a bunch of boxes just flying.
It's all flowers, don't worry. It's entirely flowers.
Ada!
I thought you said I died.
Yeah, I thought you said that.
Look.
I've done it, boys. I've made myself another simple bed. You
Oh.
fucking dickhead. It's
I
my
fucking-
bed. Make one more and then we can finally fucking have a sleep.
Slumber party.
Yeah, slumber party! Yeah! I wanna hit my plastic pillow.
Oh, it's stuck. Can I kill it?
I wanna make it fucking... There it is.
You're talking about you're just
Oh, I
sitting
need a
there.
lot of planks, Jesus.
Oh, seagull.
Oh, it's dead already.
Oh.
You guys, it's dead.
Ooh, bear in a crate.
Ooh, where?
Behind you. Look, in front of me.
No, friend's faster. Okay, he wins. Him and his,
There?
Him and
Oh,
his
I
fucking
meant this way.
evolved flippers. Oh, friend, please. I want something, please. Friend, come on. Oh, you really? You deserve it.
I got a decoration package just for you.
And a pity party for me. I'm so hungry. What's my present? Oh boy, a flag.
Yay!
Yeah.
Flip Raft over there.
Where?
Wow.
This way.
We're fucking passing it.
Oh,
We're gonna be working against the wind.
Bye, Raft.
How do I make it put down?
What? What are you trying to put
This
makes
is
something.
this fucking anchor takes up a shit ton of room. Is what I'm trying to say right now.
Well, does there need to be space? Like, what if I cut a hole in the thing?
I don't know.
I assume it needs to be like a space for the anchor to drop. Well, let me grab my axe and cut a hole in something. Yeah, okay, place it down.
It does not work.
Is it?
I think it just needs more room.
So, yeah, let me move this. Was there anything in this? I should have asked. Oh, there we go. Oh,
Just
God.
like
Oh. Oh wow.
That's fucking nice.
Oh, so yeah, you did need it. Okay, nice.
you just need room for the fucking.
Hungry.
How do I fucking make it go down?
What did you so much?
I guess
Oh,
we'll
that's
just use it.
Drop anchor. Oh,
Alright, well now we're dropped. Great. This is awesome.
it's still dropping. Weigh anchor.
Pretty neat.
Barrels! Hooray!
Oh, island, island.
I will.
That's my island sound. One meal of the natives.
Yes.
I could put it on the wall! That looks so much nicer!
You don't get to see.
I made.
That's a big island.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
You don't.
I see it now. I wasn't looking.
Oh, the island.
Oh, what is wood on the floor? Ah! Oh my god! I didn't take damage from that? Simple bed. There. I don't know where you want it, so I'm just gonna put it down.
Anywhere.
Everyone's
Hey.
My spear broke.
What is
Oh,
that?
thank goodness.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, it's fine. I'm gonna go to sleep.
Good.
Explore in the morning.
All players must be sleeping.
Look at this! We've done it! It's still dark, what the fuck? Let's explore. We're not on the right side at all.
It's fine. I wanna go
Yeah,
eat
yeah,
food.
there's some.
Oh, there's deer and birds!
There's more.
Oh, there's another trading
Wow.
post. Okay. Oh, what is this? Who are you? I want it! It's a good little alpaca goat thing. It's climbing the mountains. This thing's awesome.
grave that mineral?
I'm just following it. There's so
Oh yeah,
many things I could do.
I need to
here.
get copper. I'm gonna go get
Should
copper.
I kill it? Should I? How do I? Can I take it? I want it. I want it for my own. Mr. Alpaca, I love you. Please. I'm just gonna kill it. You're upsetting me. You're angering me. Bitch, die! Oh, bird.
What?
I want the bird to die more than anything. There's just fucking animals here that look so stupid. They're just frolicking around me.
I don't know where you are, so I don't see it happening.
I'm on the island.
It makes goat sounds. When you stab it.
Oh, you actually managed to stab it. Oh god, there's a boar. Oh god, it's coming for me. Uh-oh. Big boar with big tusk. Oh my god, it's charging. It charges. I'm not scared, actually. It didn't do that much damage.
Oh, there it is.
It's not doing that much damage. I'm not that scared. Which probably means it's also not taking very much damage, if I had to guess. Oh my god, okay, it's pretty fast. It actually hurts me. I'm actually gonna die. Oh. Oh. God damn it.
If I look, it's me right here.
Ah, fuck,
Oh, that
it's
actually
clay.
looks... You look like that's like your head. It doesn't look like a thing where it's just...
Put it on. Let me see.
Like it looks pretty
Put it on.
legit, honestly. Yeah, boar, man. Do you want it?
No, you can have it if you
Ah,
want.
thanks, man. It's awesome. Where are you? Bird. Fucking... Where did you go from? Oh, there you are. I'm trying to kill the bird. Hiya! I missed. I got it. Nope. Aw. I wish I could pick him up.
Kill it. He's made of meat. Meat tastes good. Kill
Too
him.
fast. Aha! Oh.
Okay.
Shoot me good.
I'm gonna make myself a
embarrassing.
shark meat.
Oh my, is he gonna go up the fucking mountain? For fuck's sake. Oh, you bitch, you
I forgot how to
bitch.
do that.
Hit it.
Nice.
Oh, there it is.
Where'd he go? Where did he... Oh my god.
You can't follow a fucking bird.
Hey, I found it.
You've lost it 3 times.
Listen, alright, just because I'm not the sharpest tool. I'm gonna get it. No, I didn't.
Oh my god.
I'm not good at this. At all. Come on, bird.
I've hit it 3 times so far.
I hit it once. Come on. Behind you, friend. Ah, you lost it. Come on, hit the fucking... Where did it go? Where did it go? Stop. What the fuck is this bird? He's too good. He's just too good. Alright. You stay down there, friend, and catch him on the way back. Okay. Fucking
Put me in
bird.
the middle of me chasing
Come
him.
on! We're gonna fucking kill this bird. Fucking. Come on. Oh,
How is that not in spear range? I don't understand.
It's
It's a spear. Spears
I got
are made to have long reach.
I hit it
4
again.
hits for me.
I hit that time. Fuck you.
No, I did too. I heard it.
Oh, cool. So we're awesome. I also heard it.
I think I see copper.
It squeaks when you bang it, friend. That's all that matters. Ah! I got it! Where'd it go? There it is. Fuck you, bird. I hit it again! I think we're tied now.
No, that's metal. Fucking hell.
Come on, you stupid
Spear
fucking
throw.
bird. That'd be fucking awesome. Ah! Oh, fuck. Where'd it go? Ah. This is so fucking stupid.
Oh, I broke my spear.
Oh, you got it then. Just gonna come and punch it.
I can't punch it. I'm also dying of thirst, so I'm gonna go back to the raft.
Alright, I'll try to take care of it. Help us kill the bird, please!
I just made another spear. This isn't gonna be worth it when we kill it. It's not.
Fuck! We did it!
Oh my
Who's
goodness.
harvesting it? What do we get? Please tell me we can harvest it. Please tell me someone's harvesting it. What'd you get?
I didn't get anything.
We can't harvest the stupid bird! What did
What if I hit it
we
with an
do
axe?
that for?
No.
What did we do this for? Why? We spent like 5 minutes chasing down this fucking bird. Are you me.
Oh, for fuck's sake, go away.
No.
Bird! Bird! Big bird!
Oh, big bird. But I made it to the top-ish, I think. Oh, there's like a whole fucking radio thing happening here. Crate. Ooh, with a bunch of shit in it. A bunch of nice shit in it.
Are you at the top of the island?
I think so.
I don't
Oh,
see
I
you.
got a whole fucking metal ingot and a bolt. We can make a shovel now.
I don't see you.
That's a vine goo. I'm on the thing with the satellite.
I don't see a satellite.
The bird just missed it throwing a rock at me. I feel like an all.
Oh, that way, okay.
God.
I went the wrong way.
I went over the rocks and I found a satellite thing, but it doesn't really do anything. It just had a crate in it. Oh god, bird with rock. Ow.
What is this?
Oh, where are you? Oh goddamn!
I'm away.
Again. Oh no, it's it's picking up another rock. I'm not fast enough. Stop! Ow, I'm gonna die. I can't outrun this fucking bird. Maybe I can hit it when it tries to pick up a rock. Where is it? It's all the way over there. Oh,
I'm here at the satellite thing.
oh, I just moved from there. Fuck, I'm
You
dead.
passed by berries.
I'm dead. Now you have to find me. Oh no. I'm up there though. Just go past the rocks. Go in the rocks. And please help me. This is a nice island, except for the fucking birds.
Douchebag fucking bird.
Douchebag bird and stupid useless bird.
Bitch bird that
I can't
fucking
believe
went.
it took that long killing it
Like
and
a
it had
fucking
nothing.
comedy skit.
It's 2.5 idiots chasing a bird. Ah, fucking hell. Did I make a
Bitch.
shovel, or is there something better we can use the metal and bolt for?
No, a shovel's pretty good right now.
Okay.
I don't know what we'll get for digging shit, but
Alright.
it's a pretty good
Well,
option.
we will find out.